Get ready to dive into the tantalizing world of spicy buffalo wings, where fiery flavors meet crispy chicken perfection. In this journey, we'll explore the origins, ingredients, cooking process, and some quirky facts about this beloved dish. Buffalo wings, also known as chicken wings, first gained popularity in the city of Buffalo, New York, hence the name. Legend has it that the wings were created by the Anchor Bar in the 1960s. One fateful evening, the bar owner's son, Dominic Bellissimo, wanted a late-night snack. His mother, Teresa, deep-fried some chicken wings, tossed them in a spicy sauce, and thus, the buffalo wing was born. The key ingredients for spicy buffalo wings are chicken wings, hot sauce, and butter. The wings are typically cut into two parts, drumettes and flats, and then deep-fried until they achieve a delectable crispy texture. The sauce is made by combining hot sauce, such as Frank's Red Hot, with melted butter, creating a perfect balance of heat and richness. To prepare spicy buffalo wings, start by preheating your deep fryer or oven. While the oil heats up or the oven reaches the desired temperature, you can coat the chicken wings with a mixture of flour, salt, and pepper. This step helps to achieve an extra crispy exterior. Once the oil is ready or the oven is heated, carefully fry the wings until they turn golden brown and crispy. Alternatively, you can bake the wings in the oven until they reach the desired crispiness. Now, it's time for the magic to happen. In a saucepan, melt butter and add hot sauce, adjusting the ratio to your preferred level of spiciness. For those who enjoy a milder kick, a 1-to-1 ratio of hot sauce to butter works well. If you crave a fiery sensation, you can increase the hot sauce quantity. Whisk the mixture until the butter and hot sauce are well combined, creating a luscious, spicy elixir. Once the wings are cooked and the sauce is ready, it's time for the dance of flavors. Toss the wings in the spicy sauce, ensuring they are thoroughly coated. The sauce clings to the wings, infusing them with its vibrant heat and tanginess. The end result is a marriage of crispy and tender chicken wings enveloped in a fiery embrace. Now, let's sprinkle in some fun facts. Did you know that the buffalo wing has its own holiday? Every year on July 29th, National Chicken Wing Day is celebrated in the United States, paying homage to this beloved dish. It's the perfect excuse to gather with friends and indulge in a platter of spicy buffalo wings. Another interesting fact is that buffalo wings are traditionally served with celery sticks and blue cheese dressing. The cool crunch of celery provides a refreshing contrast to the spicy wings, while the creamy blue cheese dressing adds a tangy and savory element. Spicy buffalo wings have transcended borders and become a global sensation. People around the world have fallen in love with their irresistible combination of flavors. Whether enjoyed as a game day snack, party appetizer, or a late-night indulgence, these wings have earned a special place in culinary culture. So, next time you're craving a fiery feast, channel your inner chef and prepare a batch of spicy buffalo wings. Take pride in mastering the art of balancing heat and flavor, and savor every crispy, saucy bite. Just be sure to have a refreshing beverage on standby and some napkins at the ready because these wings are sure to make your taste